Hi, welcome to Things Cash channel. Today, the topic is 2 things can make you money without a 9-to-5 job. You don't need to have any job at all. Let's go. When you meet a stranger and introduce yourself, you are often asked this question. What do you do? If you answer, I write, I cook, I play, I travel, I write web applications, I build software, I test out products and all such realistic things. Do what you love, and you will make money. So what are the 2 things? Number 1. Value addition. Money is just an exchange medium. This will never be with you for a longer time. This will again go to someone else from you when you shop or buy something. So this money will actually keep revolving based on the kind of exchanges you will have. But why should anyone give you money? In order to think more on this, think what kind of exchange you can have. Can you impart your dancing skills in exchange of money? Can you impart your knowledge through writing in exchange for money? It's all about value addition. The more value you can add to somebody, the more money you can make. And to make more value, you have to be really good at your skills. Even better than what others could be having the same skill. Be the subject matter expert and see the money flowing in. Number 2. Consistency. You know a thing or a 2 in your hands on it, great. But without consistency, your skills and time will not make money. I started a couple of things a year ago. I started Dress Prize as a surprise gifting platform and ran it for a couple of months, made money and pivoted too. But when I got another full-time job, I left investing my time over here and as such I was not making money through it. I started website and thought of monetizing it with AdSense and down the line. Wanted to monetize using native ads and affiliate marketing as well. But here also I was not consistent and I couldn't make money through this. I am quoting my experiences here because you need to know what works and what doesn't. Along with the success stories of others who have made money, you also need to know who couldn't. And what were the challenges, bottlenecks and all. Here I was inconsistent in my efforts. Every few months, I was having different commitments and as such inconsistency became a routine. Since 2015 I've pledged to edit videos every single day, produce a single piece of clip each single day. And, I am close to 18 video at the time I'm making this. You won't see those videos here because few of them still need more edits. Nevertheless, I'm sure this consistency will start a money-making machine. So next time, instead of asking someone, what do you do? Ask him or her, how do you make money? Or reply to the same question that, you make money by recommending products, or, you make money by writing web applications, or, you make money by sharing your cooking skills. Remember, you don't need to have any job. All you need is the 2 things mentioned above. Trust me, those 2 things if applied, can work wonder for you. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. The next video topic is 4 habits successful people practice in their weekends. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Share with your friends and family.